Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we're going to be learning how you can upload video on YouTube directly from CapCut. So let's just say that you created an amazing edit and now you need to upload it to your YouTube. So first we are going to be heading over to our export section from the top right side of our screen and click on export, and now we're going to be exporting our video. So simply click on this export button, and once you do that you'll be able to see that your loading process is started, and now you need to wait for a couple of moments, and after a couple of moments you'll be able to see that you have this option of YouTube. So you're going to be clicking on that and you can see we are now directed towards our YouTube channel, which is here in our creator studio. So you can simply upload your video in here and get started. So that's the simple process on how to upload on YouTube. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.